Hello cubers, welcome to Call of Cubes. In this video, we are going to see the history of cubing. So, let's get started. So, before we get into our history, let me give you some interesting facts about cubing. The 3 into 3 cube world record is 3.475 seconds done by Yu Sheng Du. You may be familiar by this cube and it worth about rupees $305. But do you know about this cube? Any guesses? This cube worth about rupees $5,160. It was the year 1974 when cubing actually began. You may ask why the year 1974? Because it was the time when the first Rubik's Cube was invented in the country of Hungary. A man from this land invented the Rubik's Cube. His name is Erno Rubik, and this is how cubing began. Initially, the Rubik's Cube was known as the Magic Cube. Soon after the invention of the cube, production began in a very small number of cubes in the year 1977 in the west of Hungary. This small number of cubes reached the hands of the mathematicians in the year 1978 in the west of Hungary. Soon after the marquee event with the mathematicians in the year 1978, in the year 1979, a major US toy company signed a licensing agreement with the Rubik's Cube. Now let us fast forward a few years. In 1980s, cubing was a great addict and a huge craze for everyone because it was a newly released toy and everyone was excited to solve it. Seeing the craze of the Rubik's Cube with the people in the year 1980s, Hugh Muffet, a new inventor, in the year 1981 created and patented a new type of puzzle known now as the Pyramix. It is a regular tetrahedron puzzle in the style of Rubik's Cube. It was introduced by Tommy Toys of Japan, which was the third largest toy company in the world in the year 1981. The year 1981 also included the new type of puzzle that is the 4 into 4 Rubik's Cube. It was much complicated than its younger brother 3 into 3 Rubik's Cube. So, the people who knew to solve the 3 into 3 Rubik's Cube were much excited to buy this 4 into 4 Rubik's Cube just because it is complicated. So, cubing also got a huge craze in the 1990s too. Cubing's population in 1980s. So after the invention of these three cubes, cubing population had a steady growth and a heavy market. Seeing the craze of the Rubik's Cube and the other puzzles with the people, the inventors of these cubes discussed together about a Rubik's Cube cubing competition. As of for the beginning, the first Rubik's Cube World Championship was held at cubing's birthplace, that is Bodaspet, in the year 1982. The first Rubik's Cube world record is 22.95 seconds, but don't compare it with today's Rubik's Cube world record because today we have a number of new cubes which are very smooth rather than the old cubes. You can also see that in those days, during cubing competitions, cubers were not allowed to sit and solve the cube. They were asked to stand and solve it. 22.95 seconds was set as the Rubik's Cube world record after the cubing competition. Seeing the Rubik's Cube world record, every cuber who knew to solve the Rubik's Cube were much excited and wanted to beat the 3 into 3 Rubik's Cube world record. So they all gathered their cubes and started practicing it intentionally. The second Rubik's Cube cubing competition was held in the year 2003. And in October 18, 2004, World Cubing Association started, known as the WCA. This cubing association had rankings for all types of cubes. When speed cubing began, Chinese brands produced speed cubes such as Shii, Gian, Moyo, which produced superb cubes like Vol 3M, Gyan 356XS and Moyo GTS 3M. These days, speed cubes have GES springs, magnets, lubricants and cube timers. This is what a cuber needs. Today we have a lot of cubing methods to solve a cube, but CFOP is the main method for most of the cubers. We also have many other methods such as RUEX, Petros and the ZZ method, which some other cubers like. Now let us see some solves done by the greatest cubers of all time. The one towards your left is Felix and right is Matchwalk. And in today's world, if you want to learn about cubing, just go into YouTube and you have a lot of cubers and Call of Cubes too. After 4 decades of cubing, we have the small sized 2x2 cube till massive 17 by 17 cube now. So now let us take a look at the current 3x3 Rubik's Cube world record, which is 3.47 seconds done by Yusheng Du. Pretty fast, right? So thanks for watching this video guys, and I hope that you learned something new about cubing. So want to start cubing? I have the link of my videos in my description, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get notified by my upcoming videos. Thank you.